5876 April Lane. We have another property on this street. Probably remove the satellite dishes. Get a blind here, and I guess on these skinny windows, 2.5 inch faux wood blinds. And here, laminate flooring, and this room is not looking too good. We'll get the PM opinion on whether or not it can last for now. We don't have a microwave. We also need the PM opinion on keeping these appliances. Remove the satellite dishes. Oh, I think I know this floor plan. Okay, carpet looks good. Oops. Rekey that side door. There's a big water heater. Need a blind. Whoa. Make sure those rollers are safe. Carpet looks good. Okay.